Hey everyone, this video is about how to lock auto exposure or autofocus in iPhones. It's actually quite simple to do that, but why it is necessary to lock the auto exposure for indoor and some outdoor videographies? Now I am going to turn off the auto exposure on my camera. So now I am turned off that. You can see the difference. When my hands are down, you can see lot of exposure on the video. When I take it up, there is less exposure. This is the reason it is compulsory to lock the auto exposure while recording a video. Now I will show you how to lock auto exposure on iPhones. Open the camera app, video. Then you will touch like this, the exposure was changes. If I want to lock this position, just long press on that. Then you will see auto exposure or autofocus lock. Hereafter you can see there is no exposure changes. If you want to change this position like this, just click on that. The auto exposure was unlocked. Then choose your exposure lock again. Now it's locked on this position. That's it. Thank you.